Hi, I'm attorney Matt Eichelberger, and I wanted to take a moment to talk with you about appeals of misdemeanors in Mississippi courts. First, what is a misdemeanor? Well, a misdemeanor is a petty crime, such as DUI, simple assault, most shoplifting, resisting arrest, or simple possession of a small amount of a controlled substance. Those sorts of things. Not enough to put you in jail for a long time, but certainly enough to ruin your job prospects and cost you a lot of money in the long run. Before we talk about appeals of misdemeanors, we have to talk about where misdemeanors are typically tried in Mississippi courts. A misdemeanor in Mississippi will be tried in municipal court or in justice court. If the ticket or arrest was made by a local police force, then it will be tried in that city's municipal court. If the ticket or arrest was made by Highway Patrol, another state law enforcement agency like ABC, or by a county sheriff's deputy, that matter will be tried in the county's justice court. Now, justice courts and municipal courts in Mississippi are not what we call courts of record. That doesn't mean what happens there doesn't go on your record. It does. What that means is that we don't have court reporters taking down everything that is said during trials in justice and municipal courts. If a person is convicted in justice or municipal court, they have a right to an appeal de novo, meaning of new, in either county court or in circuit court, Which court it is depends on the county. Mississippi has county courts in 22 of its 82 counties. If the municipal court or justice court is located in one of these 22 counties, then the appeal goes to the county court for that county. For example, if you are convicted in Jackson Municipal Court, your appeal goes to Hinds County Court. If the county does not have a county court, then the case goes to circuit court for the appeal. For example, if you are convicted of DUI in Starkville, the appeal would go to Oktibbeha County Circuit Court. Why is this important? Well, first and foremost, an appeal from justice or municipal court stays or stops the imposition of a sentence. So if the judge issued a fine or jail time as a result of the conviction, then the defendant no longer has to go to jail or pay the fine if they pay the cost in appeal bonds and file a notice of appeal in the right place. There's a 30-day window in which to perfect the appeal with the proper clerk, and failure to get the appeal started in that time frame waives any right to an appeal. The second thing that's important about a misdemeanor appeal from justice or municipal courts in Mississippi is that the county court or circuit court tries the case all over again. It's like the justice court or municipal court trial never even happened. This time there will be a court reporter there to take down everything that is said, and any appeals taken after this trial will be what we call on the record. And there won't be any new trial unless the judge or judges reviewing the record feel that there were mistakes in that trial that require a new trial to fix. The way I explain this with potential misdemeanor clients is to say that we essentially get a do-over on appeal if we don't like the way the justice court or municipal court trial went. Whether or not that is the right thing to do depends on the facts and circumstances of each case, of course. If you are facing a DUI or other misdemeanor in Mississippi, or know someone who is, I hope this video has been helpful. If you'd like to talk with us about representing you or a loved one facing a misdemeanor, feel free to call us at the number on the screen. Have a good one.